Hey guys, got a quick video today. I'll tell you a little bit about it. I'm just putting some new tailgate cables on here. I bought this tailgate a little while ago from an auction. There's a few things I have to do to it, but it was dented and I had it repainted and the dent fixed. It's a 2019 tailgate. This is a 2011 truck. When I sent it in, it had two straps on it, but I didn't get one back, and since then the guy that owned the shop passed away and I'm not sure what the deal is. So anyway, I've ordered two other aftermarket cables here. They're Dorman. I'm not particularly big on Dorman products. Cables shouldn't matter, but their sensors suck. So it was cheaper to order a pair of aftermarket cables than getting some factory ones, so I'll just keep this one as a spare. We'll go ahead and install these aftermarket cables. So this Dorman kit here comes with everything you need to install these. These go behind these bolts like this, as you can see here, and I'm really thankful it came with it, because I just noticed that not only did they not give me my strap, they took this bolt out and didn't put it back in. So way to go, Dorman. So the first thing I'm going to do on this side is put this clip in. It just sits there like that, and you'll see what it does in a second. I've got some low strength Loctite. Put a bit of that on. So you can see on the cable here there's a bit of a bend in it, and the flat side right here goes against the tailgate. I've just gone and placed my bolt in here. It's just hard doing it with one hand, but I'll get it in as far as I can. It is a Torx bit. Now to attach the top, it's really easy. It's just got this clip here. You just have to lift the tailgate up a little bit, put it over, pull it down, and that's it. That's locked. This bolt down here is a Torx, and it is a T45. There, that's it for that side. Now we'll go ahead and replace the other side. I have to take some weight off the tailgate. There we go, that's out. Even the factory bolt here is a T45 as well. Now if I remember right, these cables were 21¼ inches long, and if you're wondering where I got them from, I got them from Rock Auto. These two pieces only go one way. This is a bit longer than this side, if it shows up on the camera, but this piece sticks in your tailgate. You'll lay it against the flat side like this, put your bolt through, and the kit actually comes with it's a little retaining clip. You see these clips on drums and rotors from the factory, and they put them on to hold the rotors on while it travels down the assembly line, but it just kind of holds everything together for you. Just something I didn't show you on the other side. No big deal. Just a nice little feature. Give it the mild Loctite. Now we'll go ahead and install this one. There we go. And again, to hook this up, just take a bit of weight off the tailgate. Push it on, and that's it. It is locked. So there we have it. Two new straps. They might have to be trained to bend inward, but I'll go ahead and shut the tailgate and see how they look. Yeah. So just make sure you tuck them in. See, like this one's sticking out. Just pretty much like that. Just give them a bit of a turn in, and they'll take shape. And that's it. That's all there is to installing tailgate straps. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.